Parents, we understand that we are facing unprecedented times with the COVID-19 pandemic, and many of you are worried about sending your kids back to school. Here are some of the precautions that we are taking to ensure that our students and staff are safe when they return. Your child, your choice. When the time comes, every family will be able to choose whether to send their child to school for in-person learning or continue with distance learning. For those students returning, we are taking the following precautions. Sneeze guards are being installed on all desks. These desks will also be properly social distanced, which for our campus means a maximum of 15 desks per classroom. We also have the flexible learning spaces set up for overflow. This means that even if 100% of our students return for in-person learning, we can accommodate them with the proper social distancing. Cleaning times have been built into our schedule for classrooms, focusing on the hotspots. Every 2 hours, rooms will be cleaned and disinfected. Upon arrival, students will be screened before exiting their vehicle. Their temperature will be taken, and they will be asked several questions regarding symptoms. Anyone showing a temperature or certain symptoms will be asked to return home and participate in distance learning. Sanitizing stations and hand washing stations are being installed throughout the campus. So we're talking about sinks with water and soap, which will give students more opportunities to wash their hands. All meals will be served in the classroom. This will be to avoid large groups, and students will be able to eat at their desks behind the sneeze guards. Students will have PE, but will be in small groups and only outdoors. Finally, our size just makes us a safer option. Fully enrolled, we'll have about 300 students, and not all plan on returning in person. Just for comparison, if your child goes to a 5A school, that means they have a minimum of 1,200 students and up to 2,200 students. So just us being a small campus in these pandemic times makes us a safer option. Lastly, if there's anyone out there who would like to join IDEA Toros, we'd love to have you be part of our team and family. Call us, text us, 956-502-2558. There's only 30 spots left. Please check in with us, 956-502-2558. We'll get you the information you need. Thank you, and be safe out there.